Betty here with Carblessly Delicious, inspiration for low-carb and keto-friendly recipes featuring this delicious fried chicken and waffles. That's right, guys, keeping this all-time classic low-carb and keto-friendly. We're going to implement a few modifications in order to keep our version of this recipe at only 5 grams of net carbs per serving. And I'm so excited to show you step by step how you can still enjoy meals like this while eating healthy. So let's get started. You ready? I'm ready. Let's go. Welcome, guys. As always, all the ingredients used in this recipe is provided for you in the description. Videos are uploaded every week creating low-carb versions of our favorite meals. Subscribe and click the bell to turn on notifications so you can be inspired to eat healthy. Here, guys, I'm blending together a mixture of my favorite seasonings: smoked paprika, lemon pepper, sweet and smoky, and Creole seasoning. We're going to create a buttermilk marinade, substituting the actual buttermilk with half a cup of heavy whipping cream to cut down the carbs. Half a cup of buttermilk has 6 grams of carbs. My friends, we can reduce that down to only 1.5 grams by using the heavy cream instead. We're also going to add 2 large eggs to our mixture, 1.5 tablespoons of yellow mustard, and your blend of seasoning. Oh yeah, guys, it's the seasoning that makes this recipe your very own. No need to change the way we season our chicken. This is the wonderful part I love. Protein is still protein, and we can still season it with all of that delicious flavor. So you continue to season your chicken the way Big Mama taught you to season your chicken. But what we're going to do here is put a twist on the oils that we use and replacing the refined flours, the bleached wheat products, so that it remains low carb, keto friendly, and also gluten-free. Okay, so that's what we're going to do here, and we're going to still enjoy that delicious taste, crunchy, crispy fried chicken and waffles like old school. Let's do it. Add your chicken pieces into the marinade. I sliced 3 chicken breasts into tender-sized strips here. Any skinless, boneless cuts, such as thighs, for the sake of this recipe, being that we're topping our chicken over fluffy waffles, we want a nice tender bite. But guys, surely you can use this marinade for your wings, drumsticks, white meat, dark meat, you name it. Just get all your pieces in there, darling, and combine it well with all this flavor. Marinating your chicken helps to preserve all the moisture, and it acts as a tenderizer to prevent your chicken from drying out, locking in those flavors, baby, and keeping your chicken nice and juicy. Nobody likes a dried up piece of chicken. Not your chicken, because we're going to marinate these babies overnight in the refrigerator. And if you need to cook your chicken the same day, let it refrigerate for at least 3 to 4 hours. This is not one of those last minute dishes. You got to prep for this one, darling. Okay, guys, our chicken is marinated overnight out the fridge, and we're ready to heat our oil and fry these babies up. Guys, even if you have only 2 to 3 hours to marinate your meat, always refrigerate it, and never ever leave your meat sitting out in room temperature or outdoors if you're barbecuing, because bacteria can accumulate on raw meat when it's left in warm temperatures. To create a crisp, chicken is normally coated in flour before it's immersed into the heating cooking oil. However, overly processed and refined products are the least healthiest, y'all, which we must avoid at all costs on our journey to a healthier lifestyle. So we're replacing the all-purpose flour with protein powder, which is a much healthier alternative. Plus, it contains significantly less carbs as well. We want to make sure our chicken is coated well. Now, the beautiful thing about this is that we allow this chicken to marinate completely overnight. It's saturated into those juices, all the flavor, all through the night. So there's no need to season the breading or the flour again. I tell you, that seasoning is trapped in there. Look at that. Oh, that seasoning, it's trapped in there, y'all. We don't need to season this flour, not at all. But what we are going to do is let it set after we completely coat all sides. And our grease is over here getting up to temperature, getting hot. Okay, it's really important that the temperature is just right. If you put your chicken in grease that is not yet up to its temperature, disaster. It will get very soggy and we don't want that. For our oil, we're using avocado oil, which has a high smoking point up to 500 degrees, which can bear the heat in the kitchen, my friends. Also, cast iron pans are the best at concealing heat as well. So if you're not using a deep fryer, go with your cast iron. Fill the pan up halfway with oil. Remember, guys, it's the skin on the chicken that forms that really awesome crunch. But even with our skinless strips, coating our chicken in the protein powder is still going to give us that nice outer texture. Look at there. Is that beautiful, guys? Oh, yes, this is nice. Our chicken is nice and moist beneath this beautiful crisp layer of coating. Yummy. Okay, guys, calm down, calm down. We still have to make our waffles. I'm going to run through this part very quickly, guys, because I have a full video showing you step by step how to make these delicious fluffy waffles that you can watch later. So stay to the end of this video. I'll have a link that you can click and go straight there. Now, my friends, I have never lied to you, right? And today won't be the first day that I start. Who would have thought that you can eat healthy and still get to feast on classic dishes such as this, that are ordinarily made with refined flours and loaded with excessive carbs? Now you've seen it for yourself. There is absolutely no reason why you shouldn't be eating healthy, guys, because you certainly don't have to deny yourselves of the foods that you love. We just have to explore healthier ways to prepare our foods, and you can do that. Inspiration is given to you right here. Videos are uploaded every week featuring delicious, low-carb and keto-friendly recipes. Subscribe now and click on the notification bell so you'll be the first to know when videos post. Stay blessed, everybody. Stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.